Water and showers like this one is actually healthy. If you spend like 5 to 10 minutes under a shower that is similar to rain, this offsets a lot of the negative effects of waves such as Wi-Fi and all the vibrations we have in the car. And there is one practice that is done in yoga by many yogis around the world, which is to use cold showers. Usually they do it, or we do it at sunrise or sometime around sunrise, but of course this is something you can do at any time of the day or night. And it mostly goes as follows. First of all, you take a shower that is as cold as possible, and that lasts for about 1 minute. Then stop the water from running and start tapping the body all over the place, really to energize. Then turn on the water again, cold again, for about 1 minute, and then start rubbing the body again, the entire body, including the head. And then again, water on, cold water again, and after 1 minute turn it off, and this time rub the body with oil. In fact, in some yogi practices you can start by rubbing the body with oil so that the water doesn't get into the skin and it flows off the skin. There are different practices. In any case, after you've had these 3 consecutive showers, take a rest for a few minutes and start your meditation. If you've had a good time, please show your appreciation with a like, a comment to tell us how our channel helps you, and share with your friends. Explore the playlists and sections for lots more wellness gems. There are also interesting links in the description. Thank you for being with us.